The Amish built this contraption as an upgrade, so this does not come with it unless you want it. They wanted me to put it in here as an upgrade. There's your other mini split. Remember, there's a mini split over there as well for heating and cooling. So what this is on this side, on both sides of this is more storage space, right? Because in a smaller home, they figure, hey, you can't go wrong with more storage, more places to store stuff. So they put storage over there and storage over here, okay? And then this contraption is for, you know, the bar's okay if you just got a couple people over, right? But let's say you got 4 or 5 people over, you guys wanna play some card games, or all 4 sit at the same table and have a bite to eat. That's where this contraption comes in. You see these little hooks up top? These, let me try to do this holding my phone. This is a little tricky here, but I'll figure it out. So I can just, okay, so you unhook that and this folds down and voila. Now you got a table for 2 people on each side to sit down and play some games, card games, Monopoly, Yahtzee, card games, magic tricks, or 4 people sit down and have a meal together, okay? So that's what this contraption, let me get it from this angle. That's what this contraption is for here. Again, it's an upgrade. If you want it, they sell it for $2,500, or if you don't, we'll leave it out, up to you. It does take up some square footage in this living room area, but again, I would say about half the people that order this opt in for it. The other half say, hey, I'd rather have the square footage, livable space, leave that out. So again, comment below, what would you do? Would you guys want the cover, or would you leave it out? Let me know. We're interested in your feedback, because that's how we grow and get better, right? So pretty cool. I can literally lift it with one hand while I'm holding the phone, and these will just hook back up, and voila, they're back in place, ready to go. So this is what the little living room area looks like. Now, one of the modifications I would make, I like indoor-outdoor living, don't get me wrong. I do, but before I keep yapping here, that's the closet. Again, there's your 40-gallon water heater, 200 amp electric, that's your remote for your mini split, another electrical outlet up there. So again, I'm an indoor-outdoor living space kind of guy, but I'm more indoor than outdoor when it comes to, you know, if I'm out, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? I'm going through the creek. I'm out on the horses. I'm out and about hiking. You know, I'm not hanging out right outside of my home. I'm out there. So in my opinion, one of the things I would change here is, instead of having the living room the size it is here and this 8-foot by 12-foot covered porch, what I would probably do is extend out the living room, take this wall out, extend the living room, and make this living room twice the size of what it is now. That way I got more livable space. Because remember, you can still, if you want, you can still put a porch on the front of this if you want to do that, if you really want a porch. But for me, in my situation, what I would rather do is extend this wall out and have double the square footage on the inside for my livable space. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6", so I like to have as much space livable as possible. That's one of the changes that's one of the changes I would make. Now, another thing a lot of people do when they order this is they like this size, but what they'll do is they'll say, hey, let's frame up this end here and make it a 2nd bedroom. Now all of a sudden you got a 2-bed, 1-bath, see? Because you can put another entrance over here, and then leave that door where it's at, frame it up. Now it's gone from a 1-bed, 1-bath for $89,000, which is what this one sells for, or you can go to a 2-bed, 1-bath, and now that's $99,000. So that's an option as well. And now we're on the outside of this beautiful home. It's a beautiful day to film this, by the way. So again, this is the Villa ADU cottage is what we call it. A lot of people buying these will buy 4 or 5 of them and put them on their land, doing Airbnb, VRBO cabin rentals. A lot of people are doing them, like I said, for their aging parents. They want to keep their folks out of the old folks' homes, but they still want their parents to have their independence. So they'll put one of these in the backyard, so mom and dad still feel independent, but they got their own spot. You know what I mean? Home away from home. So these have been very popular for that. And then in a lot of places around the country now, second dwellings and accessory dwelling units have become legal. So a lot of people are buying these just to put them in their backyard for extra income to rent to renters, right? Because that's a big business, right? So let me walk around it real quick and kind of show you what the, it does have a metal roof on it. Let me see if I can get the metal roof up there. It does have a standing seam metal roof. It's a black roof, and then this is the back side of it. Like I said, it's a shed style roof. There's your electric coming there, your vents for your bathroom. And over on this side, of course, you have your mini split, which is a Pioneer mini split. This one's ready to go. And that's for your heating and cooling. That powers the two mini split heads on the inside. So again, just a super cool Amish built accessory dwelling unit or backyard cottage or backyard bungalow, whatever you want to call it. Again, just got a really cool modern look to it. We can do D-log siding on the outside if you want it to look more cabin style. And then we can do the tongue and groove pine on the inside for an upgrade. So if you want this to make it look more like a rustic deal, we can do that. But this has that kind of board and batten wooden paneling on it. We can also do board and batten metal paneling on it. And you see they got the lights up top. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 recessed lights up there as well. So that'll look real cool at nighttime. So again, guys, if you're interested in the Villa ADU cottage, don't hesitate to give us a ring, and let's get one of these beauties out on your lot. Again, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Let me take a picture of it here on the front side, because I'm always having y'all asking me for photos. Take a couple snapshots here. Gosh, what a beautiful day, guys. So yeah, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in purchasing the Villa ADU cottage. Let me walk in one last time. Again, I really like this porch. Look at all the wood, the way they did it. You got 2 recessed lights in there. You can turn those on. And again, you can see the recessed lights up there. Turn these on at night, light up your little porch area. Again, got that pretty knotty pine stained dark. This is an 8-foot by 12-foot porch. You got your little electrical outlet there. And again, one little walk through here one more time, just to show you the inside. And you can take it all in one last time here. I tend to overfilm these cabins, guys, because one of the things I've noticed is every time I walk through these cabins, I always notice things the second, third, fourth, fifth time I walk through it that I didn't notice it before, okay? So I figure if I'm noticing them, you guys are gonna notice them as well. So I tend to film a lot of content of the same cabins, because every video you're gonna discover and notice new things that you didn't notice before, okay? So obviously your dryer goes there. There's your dryer vent. You saw that vent on the back of the cabin, and then that hooks up to your cold and hot for your washer. This is a stackable setup here. Again, you've got your kitchen sink area, lots of cabinet space, especially for the size of this home. Quite a bit of cabinet space here. Again, your stove, refrigerator, and microwave is already included. Obviously, this is a mini fridge, regulation size microwave. If you go with a stove, a regulation size stove will fit here. And then of course you've got your stackable washer and dryer. Again, when you turn around here, again, notice the big windows, right? That's one of the key selling points with this sucker, is all these big, airy Beautiful windows. You got your little bar, put you some stools here. You got your phone chargers right here.